Hi everybody, Mark DeLeese here, and I have a wonderful opportunity. PinRanker is an automation suite and marketing tool for Pinterest, which is now the third largest social network on the internet. It has millions of viewers every month. It is a social network where people are buying products, and it's growing more and more every day. Now, the PinRanker software and marketing suite not only comes with an education of how to do branding and how to market yourself using Pinterest and how to make sales and drive targeted traffic to your websites, but also it comes with a software suite that does a lot of this on autopilot. Now, here's the software here. Now, let me shrink this down to the window so you can see it all here. These windows are resizable here, so let me just bring this over here. You can see here that has a number of buttons, obviously adding new accounts. So you can have a number of accounts. You know, if you have a PinRanker, or excuse me, if you have a Pinterest account, you can add, 5, 6, 7. You can add, lots of different accounts. Particularly if you're doing any type of SEO or traffic or branding for customers, you can add as many accounts as you want. You can also switch accounts. Obviously, if you're running the program and you want to switch to a different account, you can do that right here. This is for comments. It does automatic commenting. You just add your comments here. It does rotation of that. Obviously, you want it for settings. Also, this is for it has an Amazon function for those who want to invest in PinRanker Pro. It also will have an Amazon scrapper where it selects the best products for a keyword, and it'll automatically grab images for those products and pin it to a Pinterest account with a link back to the Amazon for people to buy. Here is where is the scraper right here. Alright, so as you can see here, it'll do auto gathering of pins. It'll gather pins. It'll gather users. You can see user ID or by people or by pin. You can do a keyword search. It does an auto pinner. Right now it will automatically pin images from Flickr, from Google Images, and from YouTube. You can do a keyword search and automatically do a YouTube keyword search and start pinning videos. Also, I'm going to be adding Vimeo as well. But you can also do advanced search and type in a username. So I can put in a username of YouTube and it'll start pinning their videos. What's cool about this is that you can add your own URL. You add your own URL, and so your URL will be on somebody else's YouTube video inside Pinterest. Okay, it's very, very cool, very, very powerful. It'll do automatic repinning. Okay, if you're in the course, you would know what repinning is. Here's the auto commenting. It also does auto liking, because Pinterest is a social network that has liking, just like Facebook likes, and follow and unfollow. It does automatic following. Obviously, what you want to do, you want to start networking with people, and then you automatically follow them, and then they will follow you back, and you build up a following so that anytime you're pinning something, people are looking at your stuff. All right. Just to show you how cool this will be, if I were to, for example, buy username, and I can get somebody's followers or who they are following. For example, if I select, do I have Ryan Dice in here? Yeah, Ryan Dice. Okay, let me get Ryan Dice. All of Ryan Dice's followers are in here. Okay, which is very, very cool. It only took me a few minutes to do that. Obviously, what I can also do, let me put in, for example, Mary Smith. I think Mary Smith has, I believe, about 3,000 or 4,000 followers, but I can put Mary Smith in there, and now she's in the list down here, and I can click on the start button. Mary Smith is really big into Facebook, but also in a lot of different social networks. There she is there. So it's going to start grabbing all of her followers, people that are following Mary Smith, and she's got like 3,000 or 4,000 people that are following her. So this is going to work right before your very eyes. You can see it's going to her page here, and it's going to start scraping all the people that are following her, and it's going to show up in this list here. Once you have gathered people's followers, or you can just do a keyword search. You do it. See, it's working right now. So it's grabbed the first 100. It's going to go on the second page and grab another 100. And it'll probably take 2 or 3 minutes to grab a couple thousand. Then you can start following them. You can start liking their stuff, auto commenting, just building a relationship with these people, and they'll start to follow you back, and you can start commenting on their stuff, and it's really cool. So see, now we're up to 150 right there, and it's working right before your very eyes. What's really cool is that you can minimize this, and it goes to your little icon on your desktop, and it works in the background while you're doing other tasks. It's very, very cool. Please note that also this is done with Adobe Air Flex, and so it works on PC or Macintosh. Okay, PC or Macintosh. And so you can see we're up to 200. I'm just going to stop this right now, and this is the software. It's very, very powerful, and also comes with a robust tutorials on how to do branding and marketing on Pinterest, and how to really use it to your advantage to drive targeted traffic to your websites.